Alright everybody, we have the Thunder Bay IPA craft beer making kit from Mr. Beer. I've never done a Mr. Beer kit, and this one's a little different for the normal Mr. Beer kits that I've seen in the store. But I got this from a buddy of mine who actually got it as part of, I don't know if you're familiar with Woot and their bag of crap. It's another site that's like Woot. Actually, the people who created Woot originally created this other site. And I think it's called like the Box of Regret, and he had one of these in there. So he doesn't like beer and definitely doesn't like IPAs, but he hooked me up with the beer kit, and I just thought it'd be kind of fun to try this out. This is a 1 gallon kit. It comes with a fermenter, which is actually glass. It's not like those little brown keg looking fermenters that Mr. Beer normally sells. I actually don't think they even make these kits, these 1 gallon kits anymore, and my guess is because people wouldn't buy the refills of Mr. Beer for them, they would go get other 1 gallon kits out there and just use the Mr. Beer hardware, so that Mr. Beer wouldn't make any more money. So it's got a lid here for the top. This actually unscrews this cap, and a special fermenter goes on there. We'll look at that later. We have some, this is something new for me. I've brewed with hopped liquid malt extract before, but this is hopped dry malt extract, number 2. I don't really know what's special about number 2, but it is there. So here, we'll put this up here. Hopped 2. We have some 2-row pale malt, some Carapils malt, let's see, some ½ ounce of Centennial hops, another ½ ounce of Centennial hops. This kind of seems kind of like a lot of hops for a 1 gallon batch, but that's all right. And another ½ ounce for Centennial hops. This will definitely be an IPA. You get a washer here, or a gasket, which I believe is for the lid, so it doesn't let any air out where it shouldn't. The Mr. Beer and Cooper's Brew Max No Rinse Cleanser. I'm not sure if I will use that, but might as well, I suppose. I don't even know how old any of this is, but there's a strong smell of those hops. I can smell those hops. Some brewer's yeast, just Mr. Beer brewer's yeast. I don't know if the numbers mean anything on it. It is 22218. I have a feeling that yeast is going to be bad, so this afternoon I'm going to go pick up some US-05 just in case. It's got more little gasket washer looking things, and a spigot assembly. And this actually goes on the fermenter. There's a hole on one of the sides of the fermenter here. And a little muslin bag for your grains. Now here's how the airlock works. This is interesting. So you take your cap off of here, and this airlock, there's no water or anything that goes in it. It just snaps on.